I created this simple little plan here with a gable roof on it. You just go to the roof tool and you left click drag, create a manual roof plane. We'll take that and drag it over here against the wall. Okay. Now let's see, this top of this window is what, 82. I'm going to drop this. Let's see what this is. To 90 inches. Oh, wait a minute. Let me undo that. I have to lock this first. Actually, go back. We'll change this to 312, then lock it, and change the ridge height to 90. Have to do these things in the right sequence. Okay, there's your shed roof over the window. I'm not quite sure exactly what you mean, but it sounds like you're talking about this. Just have to do it manually. There's a shed roof over a window, independent of the house. Okay, hope this helps you. If I missed, well, let me know. Thank you. Adios.